Hello everyone. Today I am creating a simple and aesthetic nail art design. First I applied press-on nails to get these long nail shape. After that I applied a matte nail paint as the base color and let it dry properly. This helps the design look neat and smooth. And after that, I applied a transparent shiny coat to give a soft glow and make the nails look more beautiful. After that, using a thin brush, I carefully draw small hearts on the nails. I tried to keep them simple and cute. Once the hearts were finished, I applied another layer of transparent nail polish to protect the design and add extra shine. And this is the final result, a simple, cute and aesthetic nail art design that anyone can try at home.